Yep, good to go.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all maybe you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California, dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. When I know you never seem to be wrong. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter really. Doesn't set you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk